In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple images into one single PDF document. So you can see on my screen here that I have these 3 images, and these are the images I'll be converting into a PDF. So the first thing we're going to do is open up an internet browser, and you just need to type in merge image to PDF and press enter. Now there's a bunch of different websites you can use to do this. The one that I like to use is this top one, ilovepdf.com. You can then press select JPEG images, and this will also work for PNG images as well. And then you just need to go and select all of the images that you want to merge into a PDF and press open. Now you can reorder the images just by dragging them over to the left or to the right. You can select the orientation of your PDF, either portrait or landscape. Go and select the page size. I'm going to keep this as A4. You can decide whether you want to add a margin and make sure to select merge all images into one PDF. You can then press convert and press download. Now if you click on your downloads folder in the top right hand side, you can see we now have this PDF document, so you can go and click on this and that will open up your PDF, and as you can see everything is on one single document. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.